Hello everyone and happy holidays! Welcome to a very quick craft, the easiest gift to make this holiday, chocolate bark. It is perfect for everyone. And you may be saying, well, my friend doesn't really like chocolate. Well, there's white chocolate. Well, my friend doesn't really like chocolate in general. Well, you know what? You can make this out of peanut butter. There is no end to the combos with this snack. I'll be making chocolate peanut butter bark for my coworkers because it's very easy to make in bulk. So all you need is a base. Like I said, this can be loads of things. Mine is going to be milk chocolate, and then you can have a fancy swirl chocolate. I'll be using peanut butter for this. And then your mix-ins, which can be literally anything that goes with your base and is edible. I'll be using these cute Christmas colored white chocolate pieces and some sprinkles. But you can go as crazy as you want. I've seen dark chocolate cranberry bark, s'mores bark, and even garbage bark, which is where you throw loads of sweet things in your chocolate and hope they taste good together. I'm going to give you the steps and you can swap in whatever you want. So first, get a metal sheet or a baking pan or something to spread your chocolate on. Next, go ahead and cover it in some baking paper so you can easily get the chocolate off. And a tip for you, tape down your baking paper so you don't run into the problem you'll see me having. Next, we can melt our chocolate. I would recommend using a chocolate melter for this if you're making a bunch of this stuff, but I'll be using a microwave. Now, if you do this method, heat it at 30-second intervals and then stir so you don't burn it. Nothing's worse than burnt chocolate. Then we're going to spread our base out on the sheet. Try not to make it too thick or it's going to be very difficult to break later on. Melt your second flavor. If you're only doing one flavor, then you can just skip this part. But I'm going to be doing a nice peanut butter striping across the top. You could also swirl it, and you could just keep adding different flavors. But make sure that before it cools, add your mix-ins. And then just let it cool. I put mine in the fridge, but you could put it in the freezer if you don't have a lot of time. And then after it's nice and hard, you can go ahead and break. How small or big depends on what you're doing it for. If you're giving it away, then I'd go for a nice medium break so that it fits in your cute little bag. Or if you want it as a garnish, go ahead and go large. It's even a great video idea to do when you didn't get your other video done in time for Christmas. So thanks for watching this. Let me know if you make some. I'm sure it will turn out great. And enjoy your holiday. I hope you stay warm. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.